Hey everyone, welcome back. Just another quick video today. Wanted to briefly discuss negative interest rates and kind of the developments there. And if you're not familiar with negative interest rates, never heard of it, I strongly recommend watching this video by George Gammon. He does a great job explaining what negative interest rates are and what their effects would be. Now, what really pushed me to talk about this all of a sudden, because negative interest rates, they've been in the works for quite some time, is because of this. So this is investing.com, and this is the Fed rate monitor tool. So the next Fed meeting is on March 17th, and that is when they will decide on what the interest rate will be. Will they keep it the same? Will they change it? So right now, we're at 0 to 0.25%. And the consensus has been for quite some time that we're just going to stay there. There's a very small probability that people are anticipating that there will actually be a change to negative rates. But just a couple days ago, it changed to this. So you can see that we went from 95.2% probability of just staying where we are to just 91.9%. 7.9% chance that it'll drop down to the next level at negative 0.25% to 0%, and even some thinking it'll be lower than that. This actually aligns pretty well with what we've been seeing recently in the news. For instance, at the beginning of the month, we got news that the Bank of England, which is the central bank of the United Kingdom, they had essentially told the banks to prepare for negative interest rates within 6 months. This also is followed up by the US, where Yellen is trying to decrease the cash pile, approximately $1.1 trillion at the Treasury. Essentially, this will lead to negative rates here in the US because it's going to create a huge amount of liquidity. Drawdown in Treasury account, which is what Yellen is saying she's going to do, could lower rates. Translation, bills are going negative. It's all but certain that we're going to get negative interest rates. There's no argument against that. The question is a matter of when, and I think it's going to happen a lot sooner than most of us are anticipating. Nice picture there of Lagarde and Powell just having a good time, it seems. Anyways, be sure to keep your eye on the news regarding negative interest rates, because when that does happen, and I anticipate we'll see more news on that front in the coming weeks here, that's definitely going to play a factor into the markets and the volatility that we're seeing. So anyways, that is all from me. If you guys have any questions or comments, please reach out. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.